So during this assignment, I'm going to talk about the Dragon Boat Festival, which I'm gonna talk about the past, present, and future on how my family is going to celebrate during the festival. And also I will be talking about the history on how the Chinese started to make the rice dumpling and do the dragon boat racing, and also the making of Cantonese style rice dumpling.
In ancient time, there was a great poet called Yuan. He couldn't bear the anguish when his mother was invaded, so he drowned himself into the river. The local residents rowboat to Salvagin and dropped rice ball into the river to distract the fish's attention from Yuan's body. Later, people memorialized Chu's patriotism by rolling and making the rice ball on the Dragon Boat Festival. And that is how the tradition of dragon boat racing and eating rice ball was started. In the past, my family practiced the Dragon Boat Festival by putting Wong boots on the front door to repel evil things. And they will also drink Ryoga wine, while the children will wear sashes for good luck. These are the ingredients that my family used in the past. The recipe I'm including is one used in my family and is from the Cantonese origin. It is a pork rice dumpling flavoring with 5 species powder, dark soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Our Cantonese style rice dumpling ingredients will be the mung bean, pork belly, Chinese mushroom, chestnut, Chinese sausage, dry egg yolk, and most importantly, the family secret ingredients will be the red blue leaf, which it helps in body detoxifications, and when it is cooked, the color of the leaf will turn into red. But due to the health is everything, in the present time, which was 2 years ago, my family has changed the rice dumpling ingredients as it has a negative impact on the health. The filling of the rice dumpling, such as the pork belly and Chinese sausage, contain high fats content which can contribute to the daily fat intake. The way we celebrate in the present is a family gathering on making the rice dumpling together to have a family bonding time. But there is no more putting bomb outside the house, nor the children wearing the sashes for good luck, as my mom said it is a way too old to do that. But my family will still stick to making the rice dumpling instead of buying from the outside, as this is already the 4th generation on putting the red blue leaf inside the rice dumpling. Therefore, in the future, we will still be practicing on making the rice dumpling and pass the recipe from one generation to the next generation.